Hello. In this session, we will discuss about tools, pre and post application and quality check for POP plastering. The tools used for POP plastering are sprit level to check the verticality of level pads, trowel for miscellaneous works like to make level pad, fishing line or line dory for checking level pads and distance from survey line with the help of measuring tape. Wooden curved spatula customized to transfer material from container on the wooden float to apply on wall. Big wooden float to apply POP paste on the wall. Big scraper to clean aluminum hollow tubes, float, trowel, etc. Small metal float to apply POP. Pre-inspection of POP plastering. Surface to be checked for readiness. Any hacking required on beams and columns to be done as advised by the manufacturer, or minimum 50 hacks per square feet with depth of 3 to 5 mm to be done. Minimum thickness of layer should be 8 mm to 12 mm. If thickness increases, application will be done layer wise after 72 hours. Application of POP plaster. The level pads will be made as per requirement of wall height and size. Level screed will be made using the already made level pads at a distance of 4 feet. POP paste will be applied from bottom towards the top with the help of big wooden float, which is customized. If height is more, then the plaster work will be done from top to bottom. Aluminium metal hollow tube will be used to make the surface uniform with reference to the two level screeds. The surface will be finally repaired with the help of a small float, and material will be applied wherever required. Corners will be cleaned with the help of small metal float. The quality check for POP plastering. Surface should be perfectly plain and crackless. Corners should be perfectly straight and in right angle. For height walls, application is to be done from top to bottom. Level screeds to be visible to ensure that the thickness is not exceeded. Thank you.